Alright guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. I'm Tony, and today we're going to be going over a new goodie I got in the mail. Now, this little guy from China through eBay, alright, was $8.50. I've seen them priced stateside here for 25 bucks. What is it? It is a wind muff for my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Okay? Now, some of you may know, if you watch my videos, and some may not, I don't use an external mic on this unless I absolutely have to. The built-in mic does fine as long as you talk up and hold it at the correct distance from your face. But wind is a problem. And originally when I was looking into getting one of these, it was because we've got a trip coming up to where we're going to be on water, so I can't be using an external mic, but we're going to be in a high wind environment. So that's where this came about. So let's put this on here. Okay, on there. Alright, so now it's on there. The lens is out. We can reach the power button. Screen's good. Oh, the front screen is not. Okay, so I actually talked to the manufacturer about this. And I talked to 2 or 3 other people that use this. They told me do not cut that out. They said it will make it so it doesn't work because too much air will get in. And it will mess up and make it so it doesn't work. Which sucks. But it is what it is. So, now, you notice this is kind of loose, right? There's a reason for that. While it does work like that, it actually is designed, which I thought is pretty cool, honestly, to be inside of its case and used with that. I thought that was pretty snazzy. I figured when they sent it to me, because it was made in China, that it wasn't going to actually fit this assembly. But watch this, because this thing actually looks like it's going to fit really well. And I mean, it's foam, so you have to be slightly careful with it here, guys. You definitely don't want to be forcing nothing. But you can already see it starting to take form. And how nice and tight it's going to sit. Kind of fluff it out. Look at that. I mean, that's not looking pretty. Okay. And we got our mount on the bottom. There we go. Kind of makes it a pain to be able to see down in there. Alright, there we go. Might as well do it all the way if we're going to do it. Those of you who don't know, this is the tripod I use when I'm out on trail because it's really light, easy to use. You can go pistol grip, or we can kick our feet out, lock them in, and done. Okay, pretty sharp looking, but it can look as nice as you want. We want to make sure it works. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to flip this over and we're going to get on the GoPro, and then I'm going to take a fan and blow directly across it. So we're going to do the fan blowing across the front of it, like facing the camera, and the fan blowing from behind the camera to see if it protects both directions as well. So one will be with the wind muff on, one will be with the wind muff off, and we'll just listen to it and see what we think. Okay, here is testing with the fan on with no wind protection blowing from the back. This is the fan on with no wind protection blowing from the back. This one is with wind protection blowing from the back. This one is with the wind protection blowing from the back. This one will be the fan on with no wind protection blowing towards the front. This is the fan on blowing with no wind protection blowing towards the front. This one is with wind protection blowing from the front. This one is with wind protection blowing from the front. Okay, so now you can see the quality's a fair bit better. I definitely think it's usable, especially say if you were doing something on a boat or a kayak or something like that, to where you still need the waterproof but you need some wind blockage. Is it as good as like a dead cat on like a road mic or something like that? No, not at all. But for the price and what it is, I think it's a valuable asset to have in our collection of GoPro accessories. And at $8.50, you know, and you may honestly be able to find it cheaper. I didn't look too hard after that price I saw. And in the US, I was seeing prices anywhere from $30 to like $22. So if you looked a little hard in the US, you might find a better price on it here even. But just wanted to bring this to the forefront. I know some of you may already know about them, some don't. To the ones that don't, I just made this video so you knew you had another option out there. Personally, I haven't been using any external mic. My Panda Pro does work for it, but I haven't had to use it. I've been using the built-in and it seems to work just fine. So until next time, I'm Tony, and I will throw a clip of some footage I took on a windy day. You can actually watch the grass blow in the video, and I'll leave you that clip to watch and you can see how it performs out in real world conditions.